Guys, welcome back to the videos. And in this video, I'm going to go over the settings, the settings in the persistent menu. Let me just go here. I always have to keep moving this thing. I don't know the best place to put it, but here are the settings. As we talked about before, the persistent menu is just the menu that they can scroll up. As you can see right here, they're going to be able to scroll up inside of Messenger. So, for example, you could set the persistent menu to anything. You could set it to link out. You could set it to send off another message, or you can put a sub menu. So, for example, let's just say I want to put my website. I could send them to a message that asks them a few questions before sending them to my website, or I could send them directly to my website. So, as you see here, I click it, save changes, put the website there. It's pretty simple. I'm not going to do any of that because I don't want them going anywhere. But my campaigns, I want to make sure they're inside my chatbot, and I only want them to leave if they're going to certain things that I want them to go to. But the persistent menu is pretty simple. You can have it active or non-active. It doesn't really matter here because I don't have any things here, any menu items here. The next thing I'm going to go to is custom fields and tags. I use this a lot. So as you see, I have the email field, no field, yes field. Pretty simple. You could delete these as well. And some tags I have click 14-day trial, click walkthrough, because I offered two different trials. I offer an exclusive 15-day trial with an unlimited account, and I offer just a regular 14-day trial. You know, if they take the 14-day trial, after they take the trial, they get charged more than if they would if they take the exclusive 15-day trial. They get charged like $10 less or whatever. I have clicked walkthrough, email, no to $1 a day offer when I did the $1 a day offer, no to RC, serious about offer, yes to $1 a day, yes to 15-day trial, and yes to RC. So here are just some tags. Pretty simple, straight to the point. Templates. I think I went over this before, where you can literally, if you want to create templates, all you would do is go into Engage, go to the menu thing, click Create Template, and it'll create a template of that message sequence. And as you see, all you will have to do is once it populates up here in the My Template section, you literally just come in here and copy and paste it. I'm not going to do that because I don't want an extra thing inside my chatbot. But it's pretty simple. As you see, class schedule. This is when I was doing the CrossFit. When I had the CrossFit client, I was copying things over. This is from other accounts as well, just to make that clear. If you have a Chatmatic account, all your templates, no matter what niche is going to be, you can get it from here if you copy it or you create a share code for it. So as you see, there's the name, type, download, share code. You could delete it if you want. As you see, join, 3 downloads. Pretty simple. I've shared this with I shared some of these templates with someone who used ManyChat. So they literally just created a Chatmatic account, copied my code into their Chatmatic account so they could copy it over to ManyChat, or they probably switched over. So integrations, I've already talked about that. I need to actually add some integrations in here. But these are things where you could just integrate Zapier to send your, for example, if you're collecting emails and you want to send it to your autoresponder or whatever, you literally just go to Zapier, copy the webhook name and the URL, put it in here, submit it. This is all the domain whitelist is also for if you want to put your chatbot on your website. It's pretty simple. You just type in your website name, add it, and it's pretty simple. The connect status is going to make sure it's connected. It's going to tell you if it's connected or not. Automations, they're supposed to be doing some new things with the automations thing. I haven't actually used the automations as well, so I actually need to start using that. So that's pretty simple. Like I said, you can add admins in the inside as well. If you have 2 people managing a chatbot, or you're managing the chatbot, but you have a client that wants to, learn more about it or be able to respond to people inside this one dashboard without going between each messages and Facebook taking long to get to each message. It's pretty simple. You can also refresh the permissions. So if you have people in here and you don't want them in there anymore, you can refresh permissions and it'll refresh it. Pretty simple. Or you could disable the page bot. Then next is billing. This is pretty simple. Select a plan, activate this account, $97 a month up to 60,000 subscribers, $9.97 a year, 60,000 subscribers. So that's pretty simple. That's basically the settings and the persistent menu. I hope this video helped you out. If you are going to be using Chatmatic, like I said, most of these videos are going to be based on Chatmatic because I use Chatmatic, obviously. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.